I'm Steve Fisher and I'm the owner of Holtwood Machine. We're a full-service machine shop running manual and CNC machines. We regularly run jobs from 1 to 2 pieces up to more than 30,000 pieces. I've worked in engineering for 23 years and know the frustration of making one machine after the other that doesn't quite do what you expect it to. We use the latest technology in machines and software to be able to increase the accuracy and the quality of the parts that we make. This is just one example of a drawing that was brought to us, a couple scribbles on a piece of paper by a client. We take something like this and we can create you a whole set of drawings with part breakdowns. I started in my garage in 1997, machining parts for the company I was working for. Having grown up on the farm working with my dad, I wanted to create an environment where I could also work with my sons. Bring your prototype or design here. We can help you get it to the market.